Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be comparing these two cubes, the RS3M 2020 and the QIYI MS magnetic. So first of all, let's compare the size of these two cubes. So as you can see, the QIYI MS is a bit larger than the RS3M, but that doesn't make much sense. So now let's try the corner cutting of these two cubes. So first RS3M, starting from little, easily, increasing more, done, more, 40 degree, yeah, 40 degree done, but that was reverse I think. Let's try once more, 40 degree, yeah, done, almost done, 39, 40, 45 degree, I don't think so it will, yeah, it's reverse, so it won't count. 40 degrees for RS3M. Now let's test QIYI MS, starting from little, done, increasing more, lock up. So in terms of corner cutting, the RS3M wins. Now let's test the turning speed by doing H pumps. For that we need a timer, and here is a timer. So now let's do, first let's try RS3M, no, the QIYI MS. .739 seconds, 1 H pump in QIYI MS. Now let's try for RS3M. Oh yeah, 3.015 seconds. So here also RS3M wins. Now RS3M leads the tournament by 2-0. Now it's time for see how much noise the cube who releases less noise wins in this round. So doing random moves, QIYI MS producing some sound. Now the RS3M, let's see RS3M now. Both are producing sounds, but the RS3M is producing less and pleasant sound, and the QIYI is producing very high sound. So for me here also RS3M wins, 3-0. Now RS3M, nice going. So before we move on to our next criteria, I want to inform you all that I am doing a small giveaway, a 100 rupees Cube Lilo giveaway. So the rules are in the description and they are very simple. Just subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, like this video and share the video. And some optional entries, that follow me on Instagram. Yeah, that's it. I will announce the result on when my 600 subscribers are completed. So stay hyped for that. Now let's move on to our next criteria, which is doing 6 sexy moves. See, now I'll do sexy moves in, let's see who wins in this time. So first the QIYI MS, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4.048 seconds, noise. Now the RS3M, 3.407 seconds. Here also RS3M wins. It now leading by 4-0. So I think the RS3M has won the match. Now the last criteria, solving. So scrambling then using the same scramble, and see who wins. So the scramble will be U R D M prime B prime U. Short scramble. Now this also U R D M prime B prime U. So now they are scrambled well. Now first do the solve with RS3M. Inspection first. Yeah. .539 seconds with the RS3M. Now I will do the same solution with the QIYI MS. So now let's solve it. I'll try to do the same solution now, but I don't think it's going same all the way. No, it's same case now. OMG, with the QIYI MS I had many lockups and it's 38.188 seconds, which is a below average solve for me. So the RS3M wins with 5-0. It's far more better than the QIYI MS using these comparisons, and both are budget cubes. So RS3M is also my main cube now. So now let's end this video today. Meet you in the next video. Goodbye, take care, and remember to take part in my giveaway. It's international, remember. Goodbye, take care.